Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the project 5, which is the hungry bird and pies. So let's get started. So the main purpose of the project is to set two characters, which are the wizard and the bird. So the wizard is throwing fab balls and pies on the bird. So if the bird touches the pies, it should score a point, and when it touches the fireballs, it's going to lose point. So it is really interesting. So I've made my own creativity and I'm going to show you. So here's the code I wrote. You can only change the details if you want, in like the character, the background, and the details more which are there. So here's my. So if the squirrel is going to touch the fireball, it's going to lose point. So it is showing -1. So if she touches the snowballs, it's going to score point. As you can see here, she scored a point. Again, it went to 0. So if you like this project, please subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.